my channel, and welcome to a little winter blues reset video. The past few days I feel like have just been so cold where I live, and it's kind of made me like lose track of my path, if that makes sense, because I feel like I'm so distracted by my winter blues. So today I wanted to film this video and just show you guys how I am trying to keep myself occupied. It's just gonna be like a little evening in my life while I try to kick the winter blues. You guys know, like, I just don't love the winter that much, but I always try to stay as positive as possible because I do believe that, you know, your thoughts can really control your emotions. We're gonna do some cleaning in my house because that is always good. My house feels a little cluttered, so we're gonna clean some stuff up, do some decluttering. Besides the cleaning, I also want to spend a little bit of time at my desk of being productive here. I always feel better when I spend good, genuine time on my computer doing work, whether that is for my shop or my YouTube channel or anything else. And then also I want to cook a really yummy, cozy winter meal and share it with you guys. You guys seem to like when I show you my simple little recipes, so I thought I would do that. And then of course we're gonna go on our, you know, nightly walk because that's always good for endorphins. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna, you know, keep it very real with you guys. As I said, I've just been kind of down the past few days because winter just drags by where I live. Like, it literally does not get warm until the middle of April. Like, it will still be cold here in April, which is so annoying, but gotta stay positive. If you guys have any advice on how to stay positive during those colder months, let me know. And I know some of you guys probably love the cold, and this is not any offense to you, but I hate it. I do not like the cold whatsoever. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do some decluttering and cleaning first. I figured that would be a good way to kind of jumpstart those endorphins. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to also subscribe, turn on your notifications. I got a message the other day and someone said that it's been months since they were notified of my new video. So if you guys could just do me a favor and turn off the notifications and then turn them back on real quick, that would probably help me so much. I honestly feel like a washed up YouTuber because, like, I don't know, I feel like I've just been on the platform for so long and YouTube has just kind of drowned me out with all of the new creators coming in. So it is what it is, but you know, I'm never gonna quit YouTube, so don't worry about that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get up, do some decluttering. I think I'm gonna feel so good after I do that. I also need to do my mid-afternoon walk with Cleo because it's currently around 3 o'clock and that's when I like to walk her in the afternoon. So let's get up. This chair guys, it's so cozy. I just want to sit in it all day, but I'm gonna feel better if I get up. So let's get started. At the end of last year, this corner became my like PR stockpile, and I actually managed to go through a lot of it earlier this week, but this is what is left over, and it's just stuff that I'm trying to donate and get rid of, but it's been a little slow to have people come pick it up. So I'm trying to find a way that I can just store this in a nicer fashion, get it out of the way. I might just have to put it away in a closet because, like, having this stuff behind my desk just makes me feel overwhelmed. Alright, so Cleo and I are about to head outside for her afternoon walk, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that I feel like are game changers for me during my winter walks when it's freezing out. So first, hot packs. If you guys have not tried these, they're awesome. You can just get them in bulk online, and you just kind of like do this and then they start getting really warm and you can just hold them in your hand. And for me, I prefer these to gloves because it literally feels like you're holding a heater in your hand. So I love having these. Next, girl, if you live somewhere super cold and you don't have one of these long padded jackets that like goes down to your ankles, get one. I know they're not like the cutest things, but these are so functional. I mean, they literally keep me so warm. I could stay outside all day just as long as I had this on. And then the third thing are fleece lined leggings and long sleeve cute workout shirts like these that are great for layering. Both of these are actually from the brand Glow Mode. Thank you so much to Glow Mode for sponsoring this video. They are an online shop. They sell tons of activewear for all shapes and sizes. This is their Air Plush wrap crop top, which as you can tell, it's a little bit cropped and it has the crossover on the front. It is brushed inside, which gives you tons of warmth, but it's actually really breathable, so you don't feel like stuffy and sweaty when you wear this. As I said, this is perfect for layering. These are their pedal pusher 26-inch leggings, and these actually have the stirrups, which are really, really good for the cold months because it kind of like sucks the whole legging onto your body and it doesn't really leave a ton of room for the cold air to get inside. But as I said, these are fleece, so they keep you super warm. They're also breathable at the same time, and these are very functional. They have a nice little pocket. These are also infused with lycra fibers, which is kind of what gives it that really stretchy effect. These fit me perfectly, and I was really happy to find out that they carry all different sizes on their website. So if you guys are on the hunt for some good activewear that will keep you warm in the winter, definitely check out Glow Mode. And all of their pieces are extremely affordable too. I do not like spending an entire paycheck on workout clothes, so that was another thing I loved about them. But I will have the link to Glow Mode down in the description, and thank you again to Glow Mode for sponsoring this video. But let's head out. I feel so warm and cozy. Isn't this such like, this is kind of a cute look. Like, I'm literally not even trying to look cute right now, but I feel kind of cute with these on. Cleo! Cleo! You wanna go outside? You've been so patient. Guys, she's so cute. Do you guys ever look at your dog and you just want to cry because they're so cute? That is how I feel right now. Alright, so another thing I've been doing to help kick my winter blues is literally just going outside and drinking a warm coffee. And I know it's like, Adrienne, why would you want to go outside and sit in the cold weather? But when you get all bundled up, like I'm actually kind of like warm right now because I have my warm layers on. When you get all bundled up and you dress for the cold weather, it's really not that bad. And obviously like getting a warm drink also really helps. I would not want to sit outside and drink cold coffee right now. And Cleo also really likes this because she gets to people watch. I get a warm latte. It's a win-win, right? Oh Cleo, there's a dog over there. See it? Good girl. She's in that show right now. Right, I'm just walking Cleo now, and I wanted to mention, if you have the winter blues and if you live in a city, you have to do this one thing, and it might be a game changer. It was a game changer for me. Try to find a safe, quiet street. You guys know I live in a really busy area, so it's not easy for me to find quiet places. And even though, like, I mean, there's still cars and apartments all around me, this street that I'm on right now is so much more peaceful than this street next to it, which is the main street that I just had my coffee on. And I feel like when I come out here, I don't have to worry about like walking into people. I can just be more clear with my thoughts. So I just wanted to mention that. Alright, so I'm back inside. It was really nice walking with Cleo. It's around 4:30, and a lot of times what happens is when I get back inside from being in the cold weather, I will get hit with just a huge like wind of fatigue, and I'll feel super tired and I'll want to take a nap. And I'm going to try my best to avoid that today by plugging in and doing a little bit of editing. I really want to get into reading books. I've never been much of a reader. I remember back in, you know, high school, I would always use, what was it, like Cliff Notes or Spark Notes. I would always avoid reading books, but I feel like now that I'm an adult and I have the freedom of choosing what I want to read, I feel like I would enjoy it more now. But what I'm trying to say is, if you're someone who is trying to avoid those late afternoon naps, maybe pick up something that can help you feel good. So for me, it's editing, because I know I have to do it no matter what, and I'm choosing to do it now instead of super late at night. But yeah, I definitely do think naps can be beneficial, but for me, anytime after 4 p.m., I just try to avoid napping because I always wake up feeling super groggy. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of editing, and then later tonight we'll do some dinner. I did just have that latte, so I'm not hungry right now. I feel like in the winter I've been eating dinner around like 7:30, so I will pick back up with you guys a little bit later on when it is time to eat. Alright guys, so I am about to get ready for bed, and I just wanted to bring you through my current night skincare routine. Honestly, I feel like I have not been that into trying new skincare products lately because I've been so happy with my routine, which is just why you guys don't see me talking that much about skincare, because I've been using the same old stuff. But first of all, I take cleansing oil and I just use this to remove my makeup. If you guys have not tried double cleansing, totally give it a shot. I don't know about you guys, but my skin just suffers in the winter. It gets so dry and flaky, so using a cleansing oil is great because it actually adds extra moisture to my skin. A little bit of regular cleanser. Next, I'm gonna use toner. I've literally been using this toner non-stop since July, and I just usually apply this with my hands. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like there wasn't a ton of substance to it because it was literally just me showing you how I'm trying my best to get out of that winter blues phase. But I would really love to hear from you guys, like, what is working for you, what is not working for you, what season do you prefer, and how do you get yourself out of ruts during hard seasons. But honestly, I feel like sometimes, and this is like not the aesthetic opinion, sometimes you just gotta let yourself ride it out. Like, sometimes there's literally not a dang thing. Where's my, oh, here it is. Sometimes there's literally not a dang thing that you can do. And that's the hard thing. It's like sometimes you just literally have to let yourself sit there and feel sad. But I feel like the older I get, the more I realize that nothing is temporary, and feeling not good is not something that's always gonna last. And if you do always feel sad, I would just say try your best to find joy out of smaller things. So for example, like the latte I got today, like that is a huge joy thing, and sometimes like getting my latte is like the best part of my day. Finally, I'm just gonna do moisturizer. I have not found a moisturizer that I absolutely love these days. I was using Kaine, and I've decided to switch over to something new just because I want to try new stuff. So let me know if you have a recommendation. And I always take some of my tanning drops and I just mix them around. That is going to wrap it up for this video, getting my life reset, trying to conquer the winter blues. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to give me some feedback. What works for you in the winter? What is your favorite and your least favorite season? I would love to hear. The good thing is that there's basically only one more month left of winter. I feel like February is like the last really brutal month, and then from March it just goes up from there. So let's just hang in there for that last month of winter. I'm with you guys. I feel you, and if you love winter, that's great, and I hope you will thrive during this last month. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I love you so much. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. It helps me out so much. Give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment below. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.